When a PostgreSQL query runs slower than expected, the first step is often to examine the query plan. But reading explain analyze output can feel like deciphering a foreign language. Both Claude and ChatGPT can translate that plan into actionable insights, but they approach the task differently. ChatGPT tends to give a structured breakdown, pointing out sequential scans or high-row estimates. Claude often offers a narrative walkthrough, explaining why each step matters in plain language. In a test with a complex join plan involving nested loops and hash aggregates, ChatGPT highlighted the costliest nodes first, while Claude emphasized the logical flow of data. For quick fixes, ChatGPT's direct highlighting of red flags may be faster. For understanding the underlying mechanics, Claude's explanatory style can be more educational. The takeaway: use ChatGPT when you need a fast diagnosis, and Claude when you want to learn the story behind the numbers.